So first thing, when we have a constant, now you guys can worry about this if you want to. It's kind of really obvious, and from now on you need to, but you're not going to need to show this. But I just want to let you guys know, the constant multiple rule is basically when you have a number multiplied by there, just like in limits, we can take that out. We can take that out and just take the derivative. So if we need to factor out a number and then multiply it back out, that's perfectly fine. Okay? So what you have here is d over dx of 1. Well, let's think about this. If we bring down 1, if we have a 1, bring down the 1, and then subtract 1, we'd have x to the 0. X to the 0 is? X to the 0 is? 1. So therefore, we just have 5 times 1, which is equal to 5. Okay? However, you can think about this one as x to the 0. All right? So whenever we have x to the 0, if you're going to bring down 0, when you multiply 0 times anything, that's going to give you 0. And then 0 times anything back over again is always going to still give you 0. Okay? So it actually kind of summarizes, I'll at least just kind of give you the rules. D over dx of kx, where k has a number, is always going to equal the constant. So whenever you have a linear, like a constant times linear, you could take it out if you want to, kind of like what we learned with limits. But in reality, guys, you can just remember, anytime you have a constant in a linear term, it's just going to be k. And d over dx of any number k is always going to be 0. OK?